So what is the best pergola material? And with so many options out there, aluminum, vinyl, and wood, it can get a little overwhelming. Now there's no denying that wood pergolas have that classic natural charm. They look great at first, but they require regular maintenance to avoid rotting, warping, and termite damage. Plus, in humid or rainy climates, the upkeep can get expensive pretty fast. Now, vinyl is often chosen because it's low maintenance and budget friendly, but to be honest, it tends to look more basic, and over time, it can brittle, crack, and decay in harsh sun. Now, for aluminum pergolas, this is where things start to check all the boxes. It's strong, rust resistant, and it stands up to all kinds of weather, whether you're in coastal, snowy, or hot sunny regions. Plus, aluminum allows for a sleek, modern design just like this one, which I love, with precise engineering and features like motorized louvers, smart sensors, and integrated lighting. And this pergola even has a built-in gutter system that channels water away, keeping the space dry underneath, all hidden within the frame. So, which material is the best? Wood has the look, vinyl has a price, but aluminum gives you durability, design flexibility, and modern functionality without the maintenance. Want to learn more about designing your own smart, low-maintenance outdoor space? Check out the links below or talk to your local certified dealer.